How to protect and share your Google Sheet documents. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to protect and share your Google Sheet documents. So for that case, you have to make sure to check your internet connection. Go ahead and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in docs.google.com/spreadsheet. So that's going to take you to this sort of field. So here, if you wish to save and protect your documents, then for that case you have to go to help. Here, go to help, and after that a drop down menu appears. From the list you need to go to Sheets Help. When you do that, a pop-up menu will appear right in front once again, and over here you can go ahead and select protect, hide and edit sheet, or protect and share your sheet. So for that case you can go ahead and search for the help, that is protect and share. When you do that, you'll be able to find this product. So over here you can go ahead and protect and hide and edit sheet, where you can go through it. And after that, you can go ahead and read all of these instructions and accordingly perform your actions. So that's basically how you can protect and share your sheets on Google Sheet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.